Hi friends, welcome my channel JM Express. So in this video we are review top 5 best soldering station. Soldering is one of, if not the most important maker skill, and using the best soldering iron is the smart way to produce your best projects. There is no facet of technology that the heat of a soldering iron has not touched. The best GPUs, CPUs, and even 3D printers have components soldered to printed circuit boards. So let's get started our video.
Number 5. It's better quality product in this list. This product full details. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime. Please click subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more videos. Number 4. This is one of the best product in this video. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime. If you want more information about this product, please check description box. Number 3. This product quality is very good. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime.
Number 2. This product full details. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime.
Number 1.
This product full details.
Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime. Thanks for watching.